Before we proceed to our topic this morning, please read again our classroom rules.
Classroom rules. Listen attentively. Raise your right hand. Participate actively.
Okay, thank you. Socialism.
Oh.
Please read everyone.
The Code of Ethics for Professionals spells out the demand of the state, community, higher authorities, and school officials and parents from teachers.
As a teacher someday, we need to follow the code of ethics. Because if we could not follow the code of ethics, pwede tayo pwede tayo mawala ng license. As a professional teacher, we are expected to demonstrate the leadership, establish as a respectful environment, process strong subject knowledge, facilitate learning, and reflect on your practice, all while upholding ethical standards and maintaining commitment to continue professional development. The word teacher, what comes in your mind? Okay, Lydia.
From the word, the teacher is a good model to the student.
Okay, thank you. The responsibility of the professional teacher is to teach. Raquel, do you have an idea about the main responsibility of the professional teacher is to teach?
So when we talk about teacher, it is not just teaching. It is also kanang guide po sa mga student. But sa statement na atong ibasa dira, the main responsibility is teaching. So to teach. So kanang main yun yung purpose sa teacher is to teach sa children.
Okay, thank you. The teacher primary customer is the learners. Do you have an idea, Ms. Mampayan?
I think the learner-centered approach teacher should decide section around learners' needs, abilities, and learning styles.
Okay, thank you. The teacher's primary customer is the learners. Because as a professional, as a teacher, we need the students. And now let's proceed to the PPST stands for Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers.
Sige, balikin. You answer.
The PPST is already discussed by Ma'am Juliet, and now we exercise our brains on what is the 7 domains. Okay? As a professional teachers, we need to know the effective teaching because PST stands for Philippine Professional Standard for Teachers. They have 7 domains. What are those? Do you remember, Sampayan? Because it's already discussed by Ma'am Juliet, and now we have recall na lang para di na tataas ang time.
So the 7 domains is content and knowledge pedagogy.
Okay?
Second, learning environment. Third, diversity of learners. Fourth, curriculum and planning. Fifth, assessment and recording. Sixth is community linkage and professional engagement. As last, personal growth and professional development. That's it.
Civil is the framework of effective learning because okay class, that's all. Thank you.